welcome to ET Garage. And I want to thank everybody that subscribed so far. If you haven't, go down there, subscribe, like, share. Anyway, today's video, it's going to be about oil temperatures. What do you think the oil temperature should be? Leave it in your comments down in the comments section. I'd like to hear from everybody, not just for Corvettes, for any car out there. I would just like to know. I have people comment sometimes about my oil temperatures when I do data logging. They think it's too high. I don't. And in an upcoming video, I will be doing a video on the KC4 oil cooler, which was an option on some GM cars back in the 80s and 90s, and also in some years came standard on them. Like this 90 Corvette originally came with a KC4 oil cooler, and a lot of people end up removing them. And I'll go over that in another video. An upcoming video where like this one here was missing it. Even though it came standard from factory, this one was missing it when I bought it, because a lot of people take them off, and in a future video I'll be reinstalling it and why and all that stuff, but I'm not going to go into that. Today's video is just a short video about oil temperatures. So it's like I said, right now it's 25 degrees out here in the garage. I'm going to go back into the house and we'll discuss oil temperatures and what I've learned over the years and what I feel about them. So hold tight, back in the house. Oof. Okay, I'm in the house and on the computer. I'm going to jump on the computer and I'll screen record some of the things I'll show you on oil temperature. And one of them is going to be a page that I scanned from one of Smokey Yonich's books. And a lot of people consider his stuff old-fashioned and stuff like that. But this, what he says about oil temperatures pretty much applies today too. And I'll leave links during the video up here somewhere to some other videos on oil temperatures. And I pretty much feel the same way as they talk in those videos about the temperatures. But anyway, jump to the computer and we'll look around what on there, what I got to show you. Okay, I scanned page 108 from Smokey Yonich Power Secrets. And even though this book is dated, a lot of it applies, even though this is for a race engine and not a street engine. I think it applies to a degree. Like I'm just going to read it, and you can judge for yourself. The operating temperature of the lubricating oil is one of the most important aspects of racing engine operation. It doesn't matter how much horsepower the engine makes, if the oil temperature gets out of hand, you are in deep trouble. In a racing engine lubricated with conventional mineral-based oil, which will probably be the case, the oil temperature must be between 230 and 260 degrees Fahrenheit. 220 degrees is really too cool, and if the temp is consistently less than this, you should reduce the area of the oil cooler and get the temp up a little. For pure thermodynamic efficiency, the engine operating temperature and consequently the oil temp should be as high as practical, but 260 degrees of oil temp is about the upper safe limit. Under no circumstances should it ever exceed 285 degrees Fahrenheit. Mineral-based oils will break down very rapidly above this temperature. That being said, most of us don't have race engines and driving on the street, and if we have high-performance engines, we're probably not getting anywhere near these temperatures. My Corvette generally runs between, when it's fully warmed up on a good hot summer day, it'll get up in the 190s to 220 degrees. And I run a full synthetic, and back when this book was written, and it mentions mineral oils, not synthetic oils. Synthetic oils can handle a lot higher temperatures, but even if they can handle a lot higher temperatures, I wouldn't want to go that high. I also wouldn't want to go any cooler than what I'm running, and the reason is the oil's designed to work in that oil temperature, and you also want to burn off moisture that builds up in your crankcase. When you turn your motor off, especially in humid areas, it's going to suck in moisture, and that's not good for your motor. You want to be able to burn that off. Uh, and that's all I think I'm going to say for now. What do you think? Leave your comments down in the comments section. Let me know what you think. I know one guy thinks he doesn't like his oil temperature to get over 160. That's I won't argue with the guy. If someone wants to run their oil at 160 degrees, go ahead. I think that's way too cool. The only reason I would want to run it that cool if I had a problem with engine overheating. Of course, if it's overheating, your engine oil is probably getting a lot higher than 160 degrees. But one thing to consider is when the oil's cold, it actually puts more of a load on your bearings and wear surfaces until it fully warms up. So it's something to consider too. But anyway, I guess I just wanted to get some controversial opinions on this. Hopefully people will watch this and leave comments down in the comments section. I don't get many comments, and my videos a lot of times don't get a lot of views, but I hope this one does. Like I said, go down in the comment section, leave some comments, let me know what you think. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.